Hello, in this video I will explain the Scouse phrase, the phrase that Korean Billy used in my last video. Also, it's a useful phrase to explain some features of how native speakers talk. It's the lockdown in England, it's a nice sunny day, people are out exercising. I'm by the River Mersey. See you in the classroom.
Don't they do. Hello everyone.
Thank you, Korean Billy. Nice try. I would change it a little bit. I would change they to D. So he said he changed they to they, but I would change it to D. So in a phrase like, where are they? In Liverpool accent, you might say, where are they?
On the Monday, on the Sunday Monday, you know, on the Saturday I still was eating chocolate.
So this phrase becomes, de do that do, don't de do. Which is a strange phrase, but I think it's useful and we can teach some features of not just a Liverpool accent, but native speaking and how native speakers use the language. Because native speakers use the word though a lot. So though shows a contrast. It's like the word but we use though much more than but, especially when we are speaking, and it's usually at the end of a sentence.
Help me, purse! I'll save you. Woohoo! He's already gone.
Yeah, but that backflip though.
I think we use it for two reasons. I think it's because it's a nice way to finish your utterance. It's a nice way to finish your sentence. The sound O at the end. When I was living in Japan, they would say daio at the end of a sentence, or desho. And I think this O sound is a nice way to show that you have finished. Also, I think it's softer than using the word but. But is the sound of it is quite strong, though is a softer sound. And it means the same thing, you are showing a contrast, but though is a little bit softer. So for example, this sentence, the Irishman was good, it was long though. So that you fall away at the end. Salah played well, but he didn't score though. So here is an informal spelling of though. You should not use this when you are writing, but maybe when you are texting. And here, native speakers do this. They use but and though.
Help me, purse! I'll save you. Woohoo! He's already gone.
Yeah, but that backflip though.
So there's no need to use both of them, but I just think it sounds nicer, or native speakers use them both because it's a softer way to say it at the end. It's a nicer way to finish your sentence. So Salah played well, but he didn't score though.
Oh my! An unseen man has just robbed me of my coin purse and is now making haste with the item down the street. Someone help.
Fret not, my dear lady, for I shall now attempt to catch this satchel snatcher and bring him to justice. Yahoo!
Curses. Due to your childish behavior and apparent lack of any sort of interest in this criminal act that just occurred 3 seconds ago right in front of you, the perpetrator has now likely made off with my money bag, free to do with whatever he so desires.
Indeed, but did you happen to by any chance catch a glance at that acrobatic gymnastics trick I just performed, in which I ran upwards onto that wall behind me and then launched myself into the air, where I then did a backwards somersault and landed safely back on my feet, though?
Another feature is tag questions. So tag questions change a statement into a question. So you say to them, it's good, and you want somebody to respond to you. So you say, it's good, isn't it? So you want somebody to respond to you. And it's used a lot when you are familiar with somebody. You would not use tag questions in an interview situation, or somebody who is your superior. You wouldn't really use it in that situation. Sorry. It's when you are with friends, usually when you are arguing. It's common when you are arguing. And there are some features or some pronunciation features that in England we use, not just in Liverpool. So it's good, isn't it? And isn't it? This isn't. We take that out a little bit. We don't join that consonant cluster together. And this becomes in it. It's good, in it. It's good, in it. Also, so the same rule applies in this situation. He is good, and the tag question, isn't he? So you want somebody to join in. He's good, isn't he? But in spoken English, you might hear people say, he is good, isn't he? We take out the S and the T. Isn't he? It was good. So the tag question, can you think of it? It was good, wasn't it? So that can become wasn't it? It was good, wasn't it? It looks good. So here we need the auxiliary verb does. It looks great, it looks great, doesn't it? And that can become done it. It looks great, doesn't it?
I can't believe we got double English.
English is well dry.
I don't see what's so great about reading anyways.
Nah, reading's for losers.
In it though.
Okay, so that's the end of the video. Again, it's a long video, so I'm going to put the final part in the next video, which will be part 3. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned some features about native speaking. See you in the next video.